What is up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel, all fresh faced. And listen, today I have a special skincare treat for you. I know it's been a minute since we've hung out one-on-one. I know it's been probably a couple of weeks, right? But I promise you it's been worth the wait. Your girl has this special treat that I wanted to do on my skin, so today I'm sharing that with you all as well. And yes, you could whip this up right at home, babies, and it is using coconut milk powder. Are you ready for this? Well, if you are, then stick around, because I'm going to give you the recipe. I am going to share it with you in this video today. Yes, the recipe, the tea on how to use it, and of course, all of the amazing benefits.
There's a fire in your soul. Let it burn, let it glow. You got this. You're stronger than you know. Rise up, let your spirit show. Every mountain, every mile, you're still standing. So wear that smile.
All right, babes, let me tell you exactly what you're going to need, okay? You're going to be taking this coconut milk powder. You'll need 1 tablespoon of the coconut milk powder. And also, y'all know one of my favorites has always been honey. Oh yeah, all you'll need is 1 teaspoon of honey. Next up, we'll be using some aloe vera gel. Just 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Listen, I'm so sad. I don't have a fresh aloe vera plant. Y'all, I do not have a green thumb. Literally, I don't have a green thumb. But you know what? We're going to make it do what it do with this aloe vera gel right here. And have on hand 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. Just water, because we want it to be a certain consistency. Your preference may be different than mine, so we'll take 1 to 2 teaspoons and whip it up. Let's go ahead and mix this now. And while we're mixing and measuring, let me go ahead and give you the details. Yes, the deets on the amazing ingredients and why we're using them. So, now why coconut milk powder, you ask? It hydrates and brightens the skin. It's rich in vitamin C and E. It's perfect for mature or dry skin. And the honey, y'all already know that honey adds that natural glow, and the aloe vera cools it all down. So as I'm mixing this, y'all, I'm looking for a consistency of smooth but not runny. And guess what, y'all? This smells so tropical. This is like a spa day on a budget. All right, I think that's enough mixing. So let's go ahead and apply this to my face. And you can use a brush like I have here, or your fingers. Now make sure your face is clean and dry before you start. Yeah, look at me, look at me. So we're gonna leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Just relax, maybe catch a little music or sip some tea. All right, time is up. Now wipe or rinse off and show your fresh skin. And let's see that skin. There we go. Now listen, you can follow up with your favorite moisturizer or serum. Now for best results, do this once or twice a week and your skin will thank you. Now listen, don't store the mixed mask, but keep the coconut powder sealed tight in a cool place. It'll last for months. And when you're ready to do this again, just mix it all fresh. That's it, y'all. Quick, simple, and oh so good for your skin. If you enjoyed this video today, please remember to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you have a special DIY facial mask that you'd like for me to share on the channel. I'd love to have the recipe and we could all do it together right here. And if you enjoyed this recipe, let me know if you're going to try it out. Until next time, stay sweet and Stay glowing. Bye.
Rise up, let your spirit